Welcome to the unboxing of the Rockville RPG-8 powered PA speaker. The speaker has an 8-inch woofer and a 2-inch aluminum voice coil for a loud, deep punch bass response. I purchased this lightweight speaker to use as a stage monitor to replace my back-breaking Behringer Eurolive F1220A powered stage monitor. Oh, and look, Rockville was kind enough to throw in this free t-shirt. I was delightfully surprised of how small this speaker was because we play in small bars and we want the smallest, lightest equipment possible. And I also enjoy this new speaker smell. Wow, I can't believe how light this is. Looks like we have a little friend back here helping us with the unboxing. Oh, hi there, Aggie. Good to see you. These have XLR and 1/4-inch mic line inputs with volume control as well, and a line RCA and XLR inputs with separate gain adjustments. There's also an additional 1/4-inch balance line output for linking additional speakers. Here's my old monster here. And then look at light as a feather. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is going to really help. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day.